Hello, I am Rahul. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to paint a landscape. I am using watercolor for this painting. In this painting, I am painting a boat. The most important thing is to think about proportion, basic shape, basic form, and perspective while you draw. Do not touch the color until your drawing is properly completed. So friend, my drawing is always complete, so I am going paint right now. First, I apply the fresh water on my page with help of my flake brush and for the painting. I am using a 270 GSM cartridge paper. This paper quality is too good. Most important to bring the tonal value of the object into your drawing or painting. Another thing is that while handling watercolor, you must have experience that when you drop the colors on the paper. Try to practice more and more. Because of this, you will get experience in technical things. so much for watching. Your support means Sievert to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I can't wait to share more with you